Yes, you true family. Salute another blessed day upon Mother Earth where the journey continue and I give thanks, blessing to each and everyone out there. Yes, I there and I look and observe and I see what are going in a Mother Earth and I reflect on the history of Mother Earth, in particular Africa. Today we'll go to the Africa. When you look throughout history, the looting and thief and raping of Africa, especially by the British, make you wonder, what go on, what go on. When you look at England control almost the whole of Africa artifact. When you talk about Ghana and you talk about Egypt, there's more artifact in England for them two African countries, the more than what in the country, them themselves. And honor it was given to England. It was stolen or was taken forcefully higher. And when we are talking about moving forward, we don't talk about those things return to the original one of those things. We don't talk about that. Because you cannot break into my house and steal my things and ask me to forgive you and let we move forward together. While at the same time, you have my things in your possession. Make money off or still hold it in your position and don't want to give it back to me. You can't talk about moving forward if you don't talk about returning back what's mine, which is not yours. And those are the things that concern me about the running of Mother Earth. Those are the things that concern me. And it's just things I'm bringing to the open people eyes are food for thought. Food for thought. In my opinion, where I'm concerned, or the point where I'm looking from, the injustice and the partiality of how Mother Earth run. You can't talk about reconciliation if you don't try to adjust these things, in my opinion. You can't talk about that. Let's look at even the running of South Africa and the apartheid. Let's look at the running of South Africa and the apartheid. When they murder so much black people under apartheid, and eventually when they, after the prison Mandela for how much year, after them prison Mandela for how much year, and let's don't forget the fact, when the world campaign for freedom for Mandela, Jamaica was one of the country who was influential in doing that, especially in the form of music. And let's look at it. When the people realize that it all come to bump in a civil war or broke out, you're the people them though. And this is how clever these people is. And we need to think about the move these people are making, because these people don't make a move unless not they have a plan behind it. When we look at it and them see that civil war out fi broke out, them say, yeah, we are gonna free this man from prison. We are free this man from prison and make him head of state or make him president so him can calm down him people them so the civil war don't happen. But they had a thing wherefore disassociate him from him wife, because through him wife is more militant. Him wife have a more militant mindset, and him wife will push that agenda same way if fight for black people, whether it all cause a civil war or whatsoever. Them find reason for discredit him wife and make him divorce him wife and be separated from him wife, and make him president. And all the president position where them put him, he could not do nothing for him own black people them. He could not do nothing for him own black people them. They just make him a figurehead for calm down whatsoever the riot or civil war what was gonna happen. There's nothing him could do for him black people. So in the long run, him go to prison for fight for black people. And in the long run, him see him one end up do nothing for black people because they just make him a puppet. They just make him a puppet, yeah. That's my opinion, or the way how I see it. And let's move on even a little further. And what happened after that? What them do, them promote I even can't pronounce the word properly. Reconciliation. I don't even know if I pronounce the word properly. Forgive me if I can't pronounce the word properly. And then them get a next black man to edit, which is Desmond Tutu. Another sellout. Instead of the people them where they find where they hold accountable for killing black people without a cause, instead of them hold them accountable, what them do? Them use Desmond Tutu for promote forgiveness. And the people them shouldn't get punished and go to prison for kill black people, them walk totally free. And then what them do after that? They make Desmond Tutu bishop at the head of the Anglican church, because that was him where them use bribe him for promote where him promote.